You won't be able to sleep after you hear this. Do you know that nurses work 3 straight days? Those who work the graveyard shift deal with physical and mental issues. The same happens to people who work 2 to 3 jobs, dealing with overstressed and physical worn out. They are basically working themselves to death. What if I told you, you could work from home? Live life, travel, make more money, and raise your status in life by doing affiliate marketing. This is what I did 5 years ago because of health issues. Let me tell you how you can start as a beginner. All you do is send leads, and make commissions. Don't kill yourself working until you're dead. Your family needs you. Life is too short to just survive. You were meant to thrive, and have an abundant life. However, most of us are just making ends meet. The American dream is still alive and well only if you take a chance on yourself. Believe in yourself. Let me show you how. Click that link below now. Remember to bookmark and save that site link for your next visit. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for amazing video every day. That being said, click that link below.